Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for an easy way to create interactive assessments, surveys, and quizzes, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into PointerPro, the perfect tool to streamline your assessment process. Whether you're a business professional, educator, or researcher, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to the official website, which is going to be PointerPro.com. From here, you can click the Get Started button. This will forward you to see PointerPro in action. All I have to do is click the Continue button, or you can also click the Try an Assessment. This will also forward you to another page. All I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. But what I want you to do is to click the sign in option on the top right corner. This will forward you to the sign up section, wherein all I have to do to create an account is just provide all the information, and then you should be able to receive an email to verify this, and this would lead you to the welcome page of PointerPro. Now we're gonna skip this. Instead, we're going to click the home page right here. And then from the get-go, you have the home page wherein this is going to be the main dashboard where you can get an overview of your account, access recent projects right here, recent questionnaires, contracts, and navigate to different sections. All right. Now, PointerPro is a platform designed for creating interactive questionnaires, generating reports, and distributing them efficiently. This next section is going to be all about questionnaire, wherein this is where you create and edit and manage your questionnaires. We're going to click this button to create our first questionnaire. Wait for it a little bit. It takes a little while to load. Now, in this section, you can start from scratch, but what I wanted you to do instead is to use a template. You have all of these options. NPS survey template, disc assessment template. You see it's categorized into evaluation, lead generation, quizzes, and of course your organization. Now we're going to use, for example, an evaluation. Probably if you want to test waters by clicking the preview button to make sure that this is going to be the right questionnaire for you. Click the preview button. Takes a little while. Now, the loading times may vary depending on your region or if you have an active internet connection. If in case you can't access the website, you might want to use a VPN because sometimes the PointerPro has restricted region or location. Takes a little while, but once it's loaded, now the questionnaire will be loaded just here. So this is going to be the copy. You have three dots icon on the more section wherein if you want to delete any questionnaire, you can do so. It's very easy and straightforward. Or if you want to add the folder to a specific folder, you're also welcome to do that. However, there's a share button here that if you want to collaborate with your, for example, if you're working with multiple team members, your client, you can embed this option. Embed this questionnaire into your website. For example, you're using Squarespace or WordPress, just click this script here and embed that or the iframe to the website builder. You also have an option for the questionnaire or using the QR code depending on your preference and likeness. That's for the questionnaires right here, the questionnaire tab. Now, if you go to the reports section on the top corner, you would notice before you can access this, you might want to subscribe to a paid plan because the free trial doesn't give you an access to this. All right, you need to contact the customer support. But there's going to be another section wherein this is the distribution. This is a section with sharing your questionnaires with respondents. You can distribute via email, links, embedded forms, or other channels to ensure maximum reach and participation. For example, we're going to be clicking the contacts. If you don't have any contacts, you can click the upload contact. You see, this is going to be the default last name, first name, email, personal ID, custom data, and you can also download the template here where you can get started, but this is going to be the format. I'm going to close this, but instead I'm going to create a contact. For example, from here you can put in the personal ID, select a list if you want, and save and close. All right, so you have created your first contact. Now, if you want to create a list, you also have the option to do that. Click and save and close, and that's for the redistribution. For the email invitation right here, if you click that, you can create an email if you want, questionnaires with email invitations. Click the create email and you can add your email here if you want. Now, for the company logo, if you want that, click on it and click the add email. All right, select an email to start if you want, and then add the email here. All right, you can build an email, analyze email depending on your preferences. Now, for the email title, for example, we're going to be providing this one. All right, you can put it here. You can add an image if you want as well. Now for sender address, sender name is going to be this. Now you have the option, you can save it as a draft for now or click this schedule. If you do that, this schedule, it would forward you to another option. Now it saves successfully. Save it as a draft for now. We're going back to the upgrade button. Now, why is it that the upgrade button is important? Let me tell you that this section is likely where you can explore different subscription plans, access premium features, and upgrade your account to unlock additional functionalities. Remember that there's like a specific limitation if you're using the free trial. If you want to upgrade to the professional, which is $69 per month, you have all of these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. For example, unlimited questionnaires and questions, large variety of question types, and a lot more. That's going to be $69 per month. For the enterprise, that's going to be on request, plus the report R and distribute R, because you need to contact the sales professional here in PointerPro so that they could give you a tailored fit solution to your budget, how big is your company or organization is, and your goal, or what department or areas that you need helping to. All right. So if you wanted to get more insights, these are going to be some of the information, and I need you to understand and read all of it, discuss it with your manager, supervisor, or client, or a company, to make sure that you are on the right track to utilize and leverage the full extent of PointerPro's feature. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.